Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So we saw how to work with function interface, and that's one of the functional interface, one of the base functional interface. And the method it has, it's apply. And apply works smoothly. It takes one input, process it, and generates output. In predicate, it was just a boolean value. It takes input and returns boolean value. But here we don't know the type. It's totally depends upon the code you are working on. Okay, let's write some more code to actually get some more comfortable with function interface. Then we will write some application on that, like we did with predicate. So let's write some more examples or some more use cases. Just want to check length of string. Okay, I'll give a length, and accordingly I will get length of that. Okay, length. This typo length. Next, I can think of convert the string into let's say in uppercase, right? We can also do that. We will give one string, and in our code we will transform it into capitals, convert a string into uppercase. Okay, so let's implement this in our apply method, because we cannot apply predicate here. Predicate just gives you boolean, but here case is different. We will give input, like if we talk about how it works. So we will say in input section we will pass a string, let's say Raga, it to some operation, and once it's done we should get output, which will be of int type. So it's going to like 5 plus 4 9, so we should get 9. Okay, that's the thing. And okay, let's implement this first in our code, then we will go for the next example. So length of a string. So how our apply works, let's see here. This from previous code, remove it. Let's get one more class. um, Check string length. Okay, just a name, call it anything. Main method is here, and let's create a function, right? So function, this one. So what it will take as input, it will take string, just writing the same. It takes input, perform operation, and generates integer value. So its input type is string. What it generates, integer, right? So let's go back. It takes a string, that's fine, and generates integer, so integer. Let's call this f equals, and now it's a string, so let's call it s. Again, you are free to take anything, and then s dot we call get length, and that's it. S dot length returns the length of the string. And then what, just call the method here, f dot apply. What has to be called? So let's test this out. Let's call this length of let's say CloudRaga is, then apply will take that string and semicolon. Okay, I missed that plus operator for concatenation. Copy it, paste it, and then semicolon. Okay, it's done. So if I run this code, run as application, it gives me 9. Yeah, that's what expected. Let's try one more string, length of. Okay, and then copy paste. So let's check the length of Pawan. Execute it, and now length of Pawan is 5. So that's a string which has 5 characters. That's a string which has 9 characters. So it counts and accordingly works. And this whole thing is done by using apply function. So that's how we can write lambda expression for that function interface. Okay, this was about this thing. In next video we will see how to do this conversion. That will be quite straightforward, and then we will combine all the concepts together in one example. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in the next video.